Hey everyone, welcome back to Shib Kai. Shiba Inu is about to go through something really crazy. There is news about Shib today. The price of Shib would be zero point 0.1 if shibainu sent 589 trillion tokens to the burn address today. It was already in 2021 that Vitalik Buterin sent 410 trillion Shib tokens to the burn address all at once. That's 589 trillion tokens that are held by more than 1.2 million people, and they're not burning a lot of them. Only 661 million SHIB tokens, which are worth about $6,000 each, were burned in November. We'll talk about something crazy that is going to happen to shibainu in this movie. SHIB News today. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our newest videos about expert forecasts and shibainu price changes. Let's start the video right away. As of right now, almost half of the world's shibainu cryptocurrency has been used up. It is the second most popular joke cryptocurrency. Shibainu should do better in the market as the number of tokens available for purchase slowly goes down. But during the recent drop in price, a nameless whale sent almost 189 billion shibainu coins. A tweet from Whale Alert says that the rate at which shibainu coins are burned has gone up by 107% in the last 24 hours. Shibarmy data shows that in the last 24 hours, more than 4.1 million shibainu have been burned. Shibainu's price has gone down even though a lot of SHIB has been moved between whale wallets. This is because the crypto market has become more volatile. Adding SHIB to payments between wallets is linked to the most latest news. There's a short-term trend for the price of shibainu coins to stay the same. For the past month, this meme coin's price has been going up and down in a small range, but it's going back and forth between 0.964 and 0.84. The SHIB price also had a string of green and red lights that showed that people in the market were hesitant. Since FTX went down at the start of last month, SHIB hasn't been able to stay above any of its important moving averages. The 50-day moving average has been especially strong, acting as support. As of the first few days of December, all of SHIB's important moving averages are still heading lower. This shows that there is still a lot of bearish momentum. From CoinMarketCap, we can see that the real price of shibainu is $0.0872, and the 24 hours trading volume is 122,912,574. The last 24 hours have seen a 3.17% drop in the price of SHIB. SHIB coins have a market value of 4,869,876,047, and there are a total of 549,627,887,632 existing. Not enough stock is available. Shibarium was brought up again when Satoshi Kusama, the mystery head of the shibainu developer team, changed his profile picture and bio. Several crypto leaders have been saying that Shibarium's testing is almost done and the Layer 2 solution is almost ready to go live. The bio happily says, close. Also, the main person who created the very famous meme coin wrote on his profile, "On the first day, my true love gave to me." Soon after, the SHIB troops joined the search for the truth. Lucy Sazanova, a well-known social personality, had a private chat with Satoshi Kusama soon after the puzzle showed up. The most recent tweet says that Sazanova asked Kusama, "Who is your true love?" To which she responded, "You, my baby." Sazanova said, back to the puzzle. His true love, SHIB, gave him a new family. Hashtags #Shibarmy. It's interesting that the 15th ranked meme coin SHIB went up 4.2% right after Kusama's move, but it hasn't been able to get back above the key support levels of 0.00001. CoinGecko says that the K9 cryptocurrency would trade at 0.913 at the time of this writing. The crypto leader then shared an important fact. Shibarium is almost ready to go live. The Layer 2 option could go live in 2023, either in January or February. In fact, Shibarium is the last piece that is needed to turn the 2-year-old meme coin into a community that can run itself. Shibainu's bone, shibaswap, will be used for petrol fees when Shibarium goes live. Also, once Shibarium is out there, the team will be able to show off other new goods, such as SHIB, the Metaverse, and SHI stablecoin. Satoshi Kusama was invited by the World Economic Forum to take part in Shibainu's Metaverse. This could lead to other Metaverse projects. Marcy Jastro, who is the Metaverse director for the Metaverse team, just got back from giving a speech at the Immerse Global Summit 2022 in Miami Beach. The dog-themed ERC20 token SHIB is at the center of the Shibainu cryptocurrency ecosystem. Its value stayed about the same on Wednesday, trading at 0.915, which is close to its 21-day moving average of 0.919. The cryptocurrency's mood is calm, even though CoinGecko reports that trading volumes have reached $130 million in the last 24 hours. This is in line with how the crypto market felt overall on Wednesday, when many traders were waiting for the Fed's latest interest rate decision to come out. The price movement on SHIB is very different from what we've seen over the last 2 sessions. SHIB fell as low as the 0.8840s on Monday because of worries about Binance's ability to pay its debts. The Bitcoin market went up along with the rest of the market after U.S. inflation numbers came in lower than expected on Tuesday. This made people less worried about how hard the Federal Reserve will continue to tighten money in the coming months. From its low point on Monday to its high point on Tuesday in the 0.930s dollars, SHIB has gone up and down by about 11%. Long-term price expectations, on the other hand, are still negative, and SHIB's technicals don't look good. Since FTX fell at the beginning of the month, SHIB has not been able to stay above any of its main moving averages. In early December, the 50 DMA was the strongest support. In fact, all of SHIB's key moving averages are pointing down, which means that the downward trend is now strong. Buyers have kept SHIB above the $0 and 820 cents to $0.40 range for now, but the cryptocurrency is still going down in the long run. Some bears will keep trying to get the price to test the yearly lows around 0.7, and rallies towards 0.10 may still be priced to sell. Dogecoin, Shib's main foe and bigger brother, almost hit $1 in 2021, with a high point around 0.765, according to TradingView data based on Binance data. If Shibainu does well, it could be the first meme coin to reach $1 value. Assuming that SHIB reached a market capitalization of $100 billion, which would be a huge accomplishment, its price would rise by about 19 times. With almost 550 trillion SHIB tokens in circulation right now, that means the price of SHIB would have to reach about 0.17 in order for the market value to reach $100 billion. The value of the SHIB market would reach $550 trillion if the price reached $1. There are almost 6 times as many stocks in that market as there are companies in the whole world. A huge drop in the number of tokens in circulation is the only way for SHIB to reach $1. Cryptocurrencies have decentralized trust because of blockchain technology. This means that there isn't a single organization or group that controls digital currencies. The open and clear nature of blockchain technology makes it possible to exchange cryptocurrency and keeps track of all transactions. Blockchain technology is very important for the crypto market to work. The fact that it is open source means that any creator can use it and change it to make something new. Blockchain technology is important to the crypto market because of what it does and how it works. Shibainu is one of the coins that has taken ideas from blockchain technology to make something new. Dogecoin is the most popular joke coin on the market, and Shibainu is the second most popular. The coin is also one of the 15 best cryptocurrencies right now. It positioned itself as a better option to Dogecoin when it first came out on the market. Shibainu, who was called the Dogecoin killer, fixed some problems that Dogecoin had. This clever move by the coin made it very popular among crypto users, especially those who like meme coins. Shibainu, a coin that came out in 2020, has quickly become a model coin in the memecoin space. Shibainu was built on the Ethereum blockchain and uses the ERC20 standard to do better than Dogecoin. Shibainu is always one step ahead in the crypto game, which is why investors choose to protect their bets with crypto assets all the time. That's all for today. Do not forget to share, hit the thumbs up button, and subscribe to the channel to see our newest videos.